It all started on a Tuesday, when Dr. Emilia Kaczmarek flipped the switch of an experiment at the Jagiellonian University's makeshift lab in Kraków on November 17, 1959. Kaczmarek, a 34-year-old experimentalist who had worked at the Cavendish and returned to Poland, had built a device she called the chronophotometer to photograph residual time signatures in matter. The first exposures were ordinary, faded motion on glass plates, but the third plate held faces, not hers, not the technicians, but people who'd walked Kraków centuries earlier. Over the next week, reflections in the Wisła revealed entire processions of pale, waterlogged figures. Parishioners at St. Mary's reported whispering prayers in dead languages. A fisherman named Jan Lisewski vanished after staring into his mirror until dawn. Local authorities, including Mayor Tadeusz Nowak and a visiting Ministry of Defense officer, sealed the lab and catalogued the plates. Testimonies were stamped confidential, then secret. A 1960 memo ordered the device dismantled. The plates were locked away in a state archive. The files were quietly declassified in 1998, and a cracked wooden crate labeled Kaczmarek, Do Not Open, sits in the National Museum of Poland. Scholars still debate whether the plates recorded memory, hallucination, or something older, but every mirror in Kraków seems to remember that week as if it were a living thing.